Hi everybody, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Live Handmade. Today I'm going to decorate my beverage station. It's a simple decor for this fall because I'm participating in the challenge called Fall Coffee or Beverage Station Decor 2020, and this is being hosted by Kimberly Davis from the Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis, and is being co-hosted by Kenya from the Kenya's Decor Corner. Both are very sweet ladies and they have beautiful decor in their channel. They decorate for seasons and special occasions. Must visit them. I'll put links to their channels in the description box of this video and also give link to the playlist for this challenge. Today I'm going to decorate my hutch area because I don't have any specific area in my home that is assigned for a beverage station. So I'm laying out my beverage station with very practical things that are required in my hutch area. It's a simple decor but with the fall flavor. Hope you will enjoy. And if you're new to my channel, please look around. My channel is about doing lots of DIYs, trash to treasures, high-end dupes, everything related to home within budget. If you love such content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit the little notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. Now this is the space where I'm going to set up my beverage station. It is part of my hutch area and I'm going to use this organizer or the box that I have made in a farmhouse, modern farmhouse style, French farmhouse style with the stamps on it, and I find it's very useful as an organizer as well as for placing my decor items. So I'm going to I've cleaned this area and now I'll show you the decorated or the beverage station setup here. So here is my beverage bar all set for this fall. Let's begin from one side. On this tier tray, which is actually a Lazy Susan tier tray, I have some plates in the bottom for some snacks, light snacks, and I have a doily over it, a crochet one. I've just dangled a little tag here with the pumpkin sign over this beautiful check. I made this is a DIY piece, and on top I have 4 mugs here. This one is specially for tea, for keeping it warm. Obviously can be used for coffee as well. It is golden painting, different colored paintings over white background. You can see there is dragon, painting of dragon, clouds and different things like that. This is a painting depicting some mythological figures, and this mug or cup is from Sikkim, a northeastern state in India, and I really like this painting and this cup here. Behind I have 2 ceramic cups and a little sign in the house shape which says fall with the stack of pumpkins over it in neutral colors. Down here, oops, I forgot to light my candle. So I have this luminary that I made last year with leaves, autumn leaves on it, and next to it in a small bowl I have some choices for the different types of sweeteners, also some sugar-free option for people who prefer that. In this organizer, from here I have on both the ends 2 flower bunches in white and yellow. These are my everyday use choices for tea and coffee. There are 2 types of tea leaves and 2 types of coffee blends. These are in powder form and one just need to take, these are instant mix, so just one take a spoon and just add it to your milk, cream or water, whatever way one chooses. And for the tea, one can just add the milk, cream or water and use these strainers. One can just open these strainers, put the tea leaves in and dip it into the hot liquid, and the tea will diffuse out in it. It's very interesting method for that. At the back side, I have added this thankful sign over a rolling pin, another little DIY. A small little DIY with pumpkin patch on it, my autumn sign. I love this. And behind is another home sign with a pumpkin. Because it's a beverage station, I could not stop myself from sharing this beautiful marble, real marble handcrafted goblets. I have a set of 6 of these and they are beautiful. You can see the different designs that is formed by the marble, and it's nice. You can see my finger through it. So when you pour liquid in it, it is slightly seen that it's getting filled. All this is natural, so the natural lines, no single goblet is similar to the other. I really like this and I thought it would be perfect to bring it here. Here is a napkin holder in golden color with some shells and beads on it, and I have added some napkins, obviously need some. A little pumpkin, again a dried one, and on this tray I have some teaspoons, and yes, I told you about this tea strainer, so I've kept it here as well. This is another sign, the 2 spoons in the Mackenzie's Child style, another recent DIY, and I thought it's a perfect addition for any hutch area, kitchen or beverage bar. On a small pedestal I have added this little bucket. I just remembered I have this bucket which is in this color, so perfect for fall in yellow and orange. It's empty now, but yes, it's ready to hold some cookies or cream biscuits or small goodies in this to go with the little thing to munch on with my beverages. So it's a small decor, a simple decor with just the items that are required in my hut space. And with this, I will just add some eatables and some milk and make arrangement. I'll just add an electric kettle on the side of this hutch with an electric point with it to get warm water. So I hope you like this little decor here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and if you're new here, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for your time. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, be positive, be creative.